Hey guys, Zach of Wire Customs, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you something that makes your build a whole lot easier. So what we have here is the one and only Hacksaw Jim Duggan's Plymouth.
Tough guy! Oh!
We're going to be filming a sponsored series with this car from Haywire. It's going to be the Get Wired series. We're going to be converting it from 6-volt positive ground to 12-volt negative ground. This makes it a little bit user-friendly for Hacksaw. It's going to make it where he could get a jump if he's out at a car show and the car dies. There's a lot more people there to have 12-volt. Or you could go to a local parts store and buy a part that you needed for a 12-volt system a lot easier than you could for a 6-volt system. So in that sense, it makes it a little bit easier and more user-friendly. So there's a lot of things to consider when it comes to going 6 volts to 12 volts. On this one, we'll be changing out the whole wiring harness. We're going to go down a little bit more extra steps on this one. So this is going to be a lengthy video series. If you're just doing this at home in the garage for the first time, there's a lot of questions that you need answered. Well, we're going to answer that in this video series. And this specific video is just going to make your life a lot easier. Now, when it comes to planning your 12-volt conversion, there's a lot of things to think about. There's a lot of things to plan for. We have the dash, the cluster. Is it going to be able to convert to 12 volts? Do you have an ammeter or a voltmeter inside your dash? Starter solenoid, starter cables. We have all the different bulbs in the car. We have headlights, blinkers, tail lights, dash lights, dome lights, all sorts of stuff you guys have got to be thinking about. And it can be very overwhelming. There's a lot of things to choose from on the market. Did this convert over to this? Is this going to protect my gauges? Well, what I have in this box here is going to answer some of those questions for you very easily and take some of the stress off of you guys so you can focus on your installation and your conversion. So this box here is from Vintage Auto Garage. What we have in here is a bulb kit. This is a 6-volt to 12-volt conversion bulb kit. You can literally go onto their website, pick your year, make, and model, and actually buy the bulb kit for your car. This is going to make your life so much easier. You don't have to cross-reference part numbers. Oh, you don't have to go to the parts store and ask some guy, do you have this bulb for this car for this year? Like, oh my gosh, in my world, a 1942 Ford, hey, I need a dome light for 1942 Ford, or a clock light, something like that. What's the year, make, model of your car? It's like, it's not going to be in there, guy. So you're not gonna have to worry about buying this stuff locally. You can just buy it right off their website. They'll ship it right to your house. They'll have everything you need in it. So let's dig into this box. I'm very excited to show you guys something that's going to make your project easier. So this is a 12-volt kit for bulbs for Hacksaw's car. So what we have here is headlights, 12-volt headlights. These are going to be much brighter than what you guys had if you're actually running the 6-volt conversion. And we'll pull out some of these so we can show you guys what we have in the kit here. So we have a whole bunch of bulbs in here. Okay, that's to get you started. A lot of nice bulbs. So that's awesome, but I'm very excited to show you the next part here. So the next one is all the individual bulbs you're going to need for all of the cars. So this is everything that you need just right here in these 3 boxes. This box is just full of their packaged bulbs here. So let's see, these are probably the tail lights because they're dual filament. So blinker and brakes right there, so that's nice. Single filament. We have a bunch of small bulbs. These are probably for the dash. Okay, so it's actually labeled in the kit. So let's open this up and read the labeling off of here. So this is the first time that I've gotten this kit myself. And once I figured out it existed, I was like, I gotta make a video on this so everybody else knows. Makes their life a lot easier. So let's open this up and see what this says. It's like a fortune cookie. All right, 4-pack, miniature, 12-volt lamp, single filament. Okay, so it says license plate, park, fender license, instrument, indicator, glove box. Awesome, so it's gonna have it labeled of where it's going to go. So it's not just a big package of bulbs. Well, you're actually getting bulbs letting you know where it's probably going to go on your application. So let's see what this one says. These are the bigger dual filament, and let's see what this says. Open up my fortune cookie tail here. It's a 4-pack. Directional signals, stop. Okay, so yes, awesome. Tail lights, blinkers, that's great. We have some more bulbs here, single filament, 2-pack. See what this one tells us it is. Hood, dome, courtesy, map light. Awesome. So this is going to make your guys' lives so much easier. You don't have to struggle at the local parts store. You don't have to Google conversions from this bulb to that bulb. Even though Vintage Auto Garage does have a pamphlet that tells you your conversions, that's where they started out with. And now they progressed to actually giving you guys a full-on kit of all the bulbs that you need for entire cars. We even have more bulbs in here. So this kit has a lot of bulbs in the pack. Headlights, taillights, blinkers, everything that you need, dome lights, instrument lights. This is a one-stop shop to get rid of your guys' headache. It's getting rid of mine, that's for sure. I'm not having to figure all this out. Called them, tell them what car I needed. I needed the bulb kit. They sent it right to my house. This makes my life a lot easier, and we're going to be able to focus on more things on Hacksaw's car than just trying to figure out what bulb goes where. So I'm very happy that they came out with this. I'm very happy that I can show you guys this to help you guys out. And now that you have this information, you should probably go out in your garage and get your shit together.